Hello everybody, I'm Samhita. I'm currently pursuing my BTech in Biviraji Institute of Technology, and I am here to discuss one of the Java collections, which is ArrayList. So before getting into the ArrayList, let's first discuss what is a collection framework in Java. So collection framework in Java is nothing but it's an architecture used for storing and manipulating the objects, and it has the interfaces and its implementation, that is obviously the classes and also the algorithms. So in this picture we can see the different types of collections in Java, which are the list, queue and set. So in this video we are going to discuss the specific collection, which is the array list. So before implementing and knowing about the array list, we need to know about the util package. This util package itself contains all the classes and interface which are needed for the collection framework. So coming into the array list. So what is an array list and what is it meant for? Actually, the Java array list uses a dynamic array for storing the elements, and it is similar to array, but there is no size limit, and also it is much more flexible than normal traditional array. The syntax which is used for creating an object for the array list is that we can see here. Uh, the t uh, the t which represents the wrapper class, whatever the wrapper class we need to create an object for. Like, this is the generic form of denoting the syntax. It is the class and also the wrapper class and then creating the object. So here list is the object which are creating for the array list. So the t might be the integer class or the string class or anything. So let's see the important points of ArrayList. Java ArrayList can contain duplicate elements, and it also maintains the insertion order. That is, the way which we input the elements into the ArrayList, the same thing we will be getting as the output. There is no change in the order of the elements, and it is the Java ArrayList class is synchronized, and also it allows random access because array itself works on the index basis. So now let's see a sample program of how can we implement the ArrayList program. So this is a simple program of ArrayList. As we already has discussed that ArrayList is present in the java.util package. So we are importing the java.util.arraylist and we are implementing the class demo. Here we are creating an object of languages for the array list, and the wrapper class which we are using here is the string. So how can we add the elements into the array list? We have a method called add, through which we can add the elements into the array list. So the object which we have created is the languages, and we are adding the elements into the array list. So we are adding the element Java, and we can also represent the index at which we want to insert a particular element. So here I am using 0 comma Python. So Python will be inserted at the index 0, and at last we will be getting the output. So before running the program, please pause the video and guess the output for this particular program. So okay, let's now run the program. We have compiled the program, and let's run the program. Yeah, we have got the output as ArrayList, Python, Java and Swift. Why did we get the Python in the first place? Is that we have added the Python at index 0. So we have got the output as, firstly we have got Python and then Java and then Swift. So this is a simple program through which we have understood the glimpse of what is ArrayList and what is a add method which is used in ArrayList. So thank you.